Alright, yo, what's going on, guys? It's me, Goble. Welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'm back at it again here on the Archon for the 18th video here on the Archon and the 4th video of the Skyblock Origins Realm series. So in today's video, we're basically just going to be finishing everything off with the 1-block Skyblock series. We might continue for another 4 videos or so, but after that, I think we'll be over with it. So yeah, pretty much we're just gonna do some stuff to our island and explore the rest of the server. So if you guys do end up enjoying today's video, as always, make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys can be notified every single time that I upload, because I upload every single day. And also make sure you guys come check out the server. goble.archonhq.net is the IP. And if you guys go to shop.thearchon.net, you guys could use code GOBLE at checkout to get a free tier 1 rank on any realm on the network. Anyways, guys, I'm on the Skyblock's Origins realm for today's video, and I will see you guys in the video. Peace. Alright, guys, so if you right-click the server selector, click on Skyblock Realms, and then click on Origins, that's how you get on the Skyblock Origin realm. And as you guys can see, if you guys watched the previous episodes of the series so far, you guys would know that if I go to my island, that I do have a decent amount of farms here. So pretty much what I think I'm going to be doing in today's video is making like a house, and then we're going to explore some stuff. Let's do such streak, and let's look. I don't have a streak at the moment, but do I have any streak credits? Let's see. Such credits, such streak. I think what I could do is, okay, so I'm going to vote, and then we could get some credits and we could do some stuff. Alright, guys, so I did just vote. So if I do such credits, you guys can see I have credits. And if I do credits, shop, I believe. How do I can't remember. Streak. And then if I click on right here, oh, it's rewards, sorry. So we could purchase, I don't need that. I think we're just gonna purchase vote keys. So yeah, I'll just buy 5 vote keys, as we've been doing pretty much every single episode, I think. And let's go open these 5 vote keys right up here at the crates, and I'll bring you guys back after I open them. Alright, guys, so I did just open the crates, and I got 8 diamond blocks, 16 lapis blocks, and then I got this tier 1 pouch. If I show you guys right here, you guys can see it's a tier 1 pouch set. So I got a tier 1 money pouch, so let's see how much I get. Tier 1 XP pouch and MCMMO pouch as well. Alright, there we go. And then let's see how much XP we get. And then after that, we could also open the MCMMO one. So there we go. And let's see how many MCMMO credits we get. I don't really do much with MCMMO, so yeah, I don't really care about that. But yeah, alright, so we got that. And then I believe, yeah, there's custom enchants. So it looks like you can purchase custom enchants. Oh, what? Okay. I didn't realize that I had enough for that. Okay, so is this like a I can't remember. I think you have to put these in an anvil to do that. So yeah, you definitely do. So I'm assuming that doesn't go on there. That means let's see, can any of this go on here? I'm not entirely sure how these enchants work, so we'd have to look at it. But what I'm gonna do is just put these away, and then we could sell this right here, these diamonds and stuff. So we'll do that really quickly. And there we go. So we just got some extra money. Now if we go to our island, we could buy some of these blocks that we need, and we could go ahead and make a house. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and buy some birch wood. So I think we're going to build the house right here. So I'm just going to go right here and kind of make it like maybe 8 blocks out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And yeah, basically I will bring you guys back once I get the pretty much the basic outline of the house done. Alright, guys, so I did pretty much make a good bit of it so far. So I put in the windows and everything and basically made the basic outline of it. But the windows do look kind of glitched, and it looks like you could just walk right through them. But it's actually just because of the version that I'm on. So don't really worry about that. That's not normally how it would be. It's just because I'm on 1.16 and it's kind of buggy, because I'm pretty sure you could join on 1.7 on here as well. So yeah, I might have to go on a different version to be able to do this, but maybe not. We'll just have to wait and see. It looks like the door doesn't want to be it doesn't really want to work with me too well, so yeah, we're just gonna have to figure this out. I guess we'll just have to have our doors like that. But yeah, basically all I need to do now is the floor and the roof, so I'm gonna get onto that, and then I will bring you guys back after I'm done with the floor, and then I'll show you guys what I do with the roof. Alright guys, so I just finished putting in the floor, and pretty much the last thing that I have to do is just basically make the roof. So I think what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna buy some more wood, and then we're gonna go ahead and craft some stairs, and we're gonna get this roof design going. So I'm assuming you guys probably aren't gonna really know right away what I'm doing, but you guys will end up seeing what I'm gonna be doing and understanding what it's pretty much what it is as I go along. So pretty much I'm just gonna go all the way around like this and just keep going up and going all the way around, and it should turn out pretty good. I'm not gonna make it all the way up to be very like pointed. I'm just gonna go up maybe like 3 or 4 layers, and then we're gonna go ahead and just finish it off with a flat layer on the top to make it look pretty good. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back once I'm done doing this. Alright guys, so we just finished off the roof. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and make some slabs, and what we're gonna do is just basically finish it off like this, and pretty much once we're done with that, we're gonna be officially done. So yeah, pretty much we finished our entire house. Other than the inside design, we do need to add some stuff in there, but other than that, we pretty much finished off our entire house. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video so far. So I am glitched and it won't let me go through the door for some reason, but yeah, let's go ahead and look at this. So this is what we're working with. So what I think I'm gonna go ahead and do is start off by buying some colored blocks. We're gonna buy some, let's see, what color should we go for? Let's do let's just say light blue. So we're gonna get some light blue wool, and we'll use some of that to work with. And then we will also buy a thing. All right, here, this is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go like this, and we're gonna create a light blue bed, and then we're gonna make some carpet. So there we go. It should be a good amount of carpet for now. So we're gonna do this, and I think I'm gonna put my chest right here, right by the bed. And then what we're gonna do is yeah, I'll just put my chest right here, and then over here we'll have like a little table, and then yeah, over here we're probably just gonna have maybe some basic stuff over here, and then yeah, that should be pretty much it for the house. But I just need to add in this stuff. So basically what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and finish off the design, and I'll bring you guys back. So yeah. Alright guys, so I just finished off the interior design of the house. So pretty much, as you guys can see, this is basically gonna be it. This is basically all that I have for the house. So we have a double chest here. It just looks a bit weird. Like I said, the server is kind of glitched on 1.16. And then right here we just have a flower, a furnace, and a crafting table. And then if we go outside, we could add a design around here, which is probably what I'm going to go ahead and do. But once I'm done doing that, I'm going to go ahead and end off the video. Alright guys, so I just finished adding that design to the outside. It's alright. I'm not sure how I really like it, but we're going to go ahead and leave it for now. But anyways guys, we're going to go ahead and end off today's video here. If you guys did enjoy, make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you guys can be notified every single time that I upload, because I upload every single day. And also make sure you guys come check out the server. goble.archonhq.net is the IP. And also, if you guys come and log on to TheArchon and choose any realm on the entire network, you guys could go to shop.thearchon.net and use code goble to get a free rank on that realm. You have 2 uses per account, and you guys could get a free rank to be able to do anything on any realm, not just the one that I play on. So make sure that you guys come check out TheArchon and come play with me, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.